Today, we're cooking up a delicious tofu snack. One spicy, one pepper salt with a touch of sweetness. Crispy, flavorful, and easy to make. Tofu originated in China over 2,000 years ago. It is believed that Lu An, a Han Dynasty prince, accidentally created it by curdling soy milk with a coagulant. Tofu later spread across Asia and became a staple in many cuisines. Tofu is rich in high-quality plant-based protein. On average, 100 grams of tofu contains about 8 to 10 grams of protein, making it a popular meat alternative in vegetarian and healthy diets. Tofu, often spotted in supermarkets, rarely understood, bland, maybe, but think of it as a blank canvas. With a little seasoning magic, it becomes a masterpiece. Grab some firm tofu from the store, any kind will do. Slice it like you mean it, then cube it with care. Simple math, tasty results. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to a non-stick pan. Give it a little swirl, let it heat up, then gently lay in the tofu. Use tongs or chopsticks if you're feeling fancy. Alright, I'll use chopsticks. Pan fry the tofu until all sides are golden. Gently flip them as you go. Oh, we're all just humans doing our best even with tofu. Oh wait, here is the recipe.